place to hook this thing.
Get that done.
Winched it up on a trailer when I went and got it. But I don't remember where we winched it from.
Sir?
You unlock your steering wheel.
Yes, sir. If you don't mind guiding it, that'd be sweet.
Oh, I'll do it. That way I can tell everybody I did drive it.
Now, where we at?
What about?
Where we at?
We're in Corbin. No, is
London?
it Corbin, Kentucky?
Lily, Kentucky.
Lily, Kentucky. We're in Lily, Kentucky, getting a '95 Ford Thunderbird. We're going to do a video on. Is it parked?
Ain't now.
All right, people, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got us a nice Ford Thunder chicken. Okay, we just picked this up in London, Kentucky. We're gonna do a will it run session on it. It's got some issues, you know. As you can see, it's ugly. Okay, it's got some paint issues. It's overall ugly. Okay, but we're gonna see if we can get it running. One good thing about it is it does have the V8. Okay. So after we get it running, we'll do some burnouts with it. But just a little walk around of it. She's gonna walk around and show you what it looks like. It's a $400 car. See, she ugly. I might even paint Thunder Chicken on the hood. We're gonna peel all that off, peel off in purple windows. We'll sand all that down and do a Tom's refurb paint job on it. Okay, y'all need to watch Tom. He's funny.
Yeah, he's
okay.
funny.
But just to introduce the car, when we get it home, it'll be dark, so we'll show you how well the lights work that we put on in the video that you're going to watch before you see this one. We'll show you how well they work. All right.
We'll link old Tom in the description down there too for you to check out.
Yeah, he's funny. He's a little crazy. Reminds me of my little brother. But anyway. Just wanted to show you the car. We're going to get it home and then we'll get back at you. Okay, people, we're back. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're working on this one. We were working on that one over there just a minute ago.
Ugly.
But now, yeah, that's the ugly truck. My wife said, "Don't buy no ugly truck." Well, I did it just because she told me not to.
I didn't tell him not to.
Anyway, this is the '95 Ford Thunderbird with the V8 in it. Guy says the fuel pump's out. Like I said in the other video, every car on 60% of the cars on Marketplace need a fuel pump. So. But anyway, I just dropped the battery in it. We're going to see if it turns over. And if it does, then I'll take the fuel pump.
It click.
It click. It's not making a good connection. And they tell you all the time not to do what I'm doing. But I'm grown. I do what I want. What they say?
So do as you do, not what you say?
Do as I say, not what I do. Okay. She turns over. Let's see if she'll fire. Okay, let me get my spray. gotta get it from the ugly truck. I already got it over here in the ugly truck. Yeah. I'm about out. Time to buy a new one. Okay, now we gotta get up here. It's a long way up. Oh Lord. Okay, they said they pulled this out and sprayed this here stuff in there, and it started. So we shall see.
Yep, you're out.
If it fires, we'll see.
I better back up. You want me to start it while you spray it?
Yeah. You gonna be able to get up here? Yeah, I'll hold the phone for you.
I got that. I didn't know what I was doing. Oh, I have to literally get up? Okay, y'all hold on. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I got up here. Ooh, this one's a beaut too. This one's a beauty too. Yes. Can y'all see? Let me know.
Okay, well, it's not firing.
Because when I see a spider up here, I'm going to kill myself getting down.
Okay, so we're gonna have to check some things, make sure it's getting spark and all that.
Ooh, goodness.
Okay, I got to check some stuff.
Okay, well, we'll be back with y'all.
We got it home. We messed with it a little bit yesterday, but it's gonna take a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and unload it. I got the beautiful truck from over here into the garage so I can get the fuel pump on it. We're gonna go ahead and unload this one and go ahead and put the trailer up. Okay, people, if you're gonna be hauling cars or tractors or anything like that, anything that's heavy, don't do it with a Harbor Freight strap. Okay, you need an automotive grade strap, one on each corner. Yeah, you can get by with just one in the winch, and then yeah, all it takes is one time for that car to roll off the trailer and cause an accident, and you're either deep in debt or you kill somebody. Do it the right way. Ta-da! Okay, now we'll put the strips up, put the trailer up. Done for the day. Go to the parts house. Gotta go to the parts house. Gotta go to town. Because we country. We don't go to the city. We don't go to the parts house down the street that's 2 miles. We go to the parts house that's 10 miles away. But as you can see, if you watch the other video about the trailer, that is just neat right there. Okay, you pull up, you open it up, you plug up, you're powered, ready to go. Flip the little breaker up there. Okay, all right, we'll see you when we get to working on that. All right, people, welcome back to Triple R Garage, also known as Rodney's Used Car Sales. Okay, we'll sell you a car. All right. Whether it runs or not, I sell it to you. My mother once told me I could sell an ice cube to an Eskimo. If you price it cheap enough, they'll buy it. Anyway, okay, this one's going to be coming up in a video. This right here is what they call a 1995 Thunder Chicken. It's a Ford Thunderbird, okay? we're gonna give you a little preview of the car before we actually do the video. In this video, you seen me go get it, or us, excuse me, me and the director. We went and got it and brought it back, and then I tinkered with it a little bit on the trailer. And the reason I tinkered with it on the trailer is because I bought a car here about 1.5 years ago that the guy said quit at the red light, and I figured the fuel pump was out, so bought it, brought it home, and long story short, that there car ain't got no gas in it.
Yeah, you told him about it in one of your videos.
It didn't have no gas in it, so I put gas in it and drove it off the trailer. So I played with this one, and it's really the fuel pump, okay? Tested the system, and back here, right here, is what they call the inertia switch, where if you're in an accident or something, the car takes a lick, it cuts the electric fuel pump off so that if the gas line's busted, it doesn't pour fuel all over the car or all over the ground. It's right here behind the, she probably can't see it. If she does, it's gonna be upside down. See it right there? See that switch right there? Okay. Well, I tested that too, and it wasn't tripped. I thought maybe it might be because they dropped it off a culvert in a driveway and bent the A-arm. So that hard of a lick could have tripped that switch, but the switch wasn't tripped. Okay. So I got all the fuel, old fuel out of the fuel rail. It's a V8, okay. I got the fuel out of the fuel rails. We sprayed some stuff in it. We couldn't get it to start, probably because of the nasty turpentine that was still in the fuel lines. But order a fuel pump. We'll put that on there, and you'll be seeing a video of the car running. We just wanted to give you a quick tour of the car that's coming out in the next couple of weeks. You see how dirty and nasty it is. So you'll be able to see how it is and what it looks like when I'm done with it.
Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision.
Right? Yeah, because it smells pretty bad.
Ooh.
When we went to pick the car up, this seal was down like this, so it's had rainwater running in it for the past several years. The car hadn't been tagged since 2016. But again, just a little look-see, just a little preview of what's coming. The plan for this car is to get it running and driving. It don't have a title, so I'll go down and get a title for it. Fix the A-arm and peel all that purple tint and maybe sand some of this stuff off. This is never going to be a car show car, but it'd be a good A to B car. 15, 16, 1700. If it runs and drives, it's worth that. Okay, so this is the Thunder Chicken. Okay, that's what we're gonna call it. We got to name the cars in the videos. The one we had before with the Chevy truck, that was the ugly truck. Okay, I called it Beautimus. This is the Thunder Chicken. Okay, so when you see the video of this, you'll know whether it runs or not. And this one, if I can get it to run, I might run it up and down the road and let you see that. That's all for this video. Like I like to tell everybody at the end of the videos, be kind to people. You never know what they're going through. Peace.
Have a good night. We'll see you in the next one. God bless y'all.